Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing this DJI Mini 3 drone. I got the RC version that comes with a controller with the screen. Anyway, let's get into it. The drone's on top, then below we have the controller. Then way at the bottom we have a box with everything else. Here's everything unpacked and in detail. We got some DJI stickers, some replacement propellers, clearly labeled A and B for where they go on the drone. We've got this USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, this Phillips screwdriver, perfect for unscrewing and replacing propellers if you need to. Then there's the controller. This feels very premium. It's heavier than the drone itself. We've got some buttons in front, and as you can see, the stickers aren't installed. We'll do that in a few. We got some more buttons on this side and two wheel thingies. They don't turn all the way. They actually pull to the middle after you move them. And on the bottom, we've got two more buttons and the sticks. Let's take them out and install them. Here's how you install them. You just screw them in. Feels nice and is very grippy. Now, here's the drone itself. Let me show you how to unfold it. Be very gentle doing this. You can't power the drone on until you charge the battery and activate it. In front, we've got the camera. And now let's take off the protector. This little camera can shoot vertical and horizontal in 4K. Anyway, this is just an unboxing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.